Hi, everybody. Going live always cracks me up. It feels really funny. Anyway, I'm hopping on here by surprise all of a sudden on a Tuesday afternoon because I want to make sure that everyone is aware that I'm going to be doing another live yoga challenge. So back a couple of months ago, I think it was in September, I did a 21-day challenge, which was a whole lot of fun. A bunch of people jumped on to join me live for class early in the morning. And then a lot of other people watched at a different time during the day that worked for their schedule. And I don't know, it seemed like a lot of people got started with their yoga practice or relaunched their yoga practice after taking a break for a long time. And it was fun all around. I think it was fun for me, and it was fun for the people who were participating as well. And so I thought, a couple of months have passed. Now let's go ahead and do another one. So starting on this Saturday morning, the 21st, at 6 a.m. Central Time, which is, I don't know, I've written it in the description of this video. It's GMT -6. So hopefully everyone can figure out, in your time zone, what time the live practice will be going. But anyway, I'm going to be doing that starting this Saturday. And I wanted to make sure that everyone was aware. I posted it on the community section of the YouTube page the other day, but one nice viewer of my channel let me know recently that people who use, I don't know if it's just tablets, just iPads or all tablets, cannot access the community tab. So that's why I wanted to do a video to make sure that I don't miss anybody who might be interested in participating in this 7-day challenge with me. So I see there's a few people joining now. I've already given the whole message in the first 2 minutes, so I'll have to repeat it again here in a little bit. But if you're here, let me know. Oh, hi, April. Nice to talk to you again. I replied to one of your YouTube comments yesterday, last night. That's great. Your classes are done and you'll be ready to join. Very good. Well, it's starting on this Saturday, so hopefully you'll be able to do it. Hello, Karen. Nice to know that you're here. Yeah, if you're here, let me know. Just post a quick comment so I can see who all is here. Hello, Jedu. Hopefully I'm saying your name correctly. Yeah, awesome. Let me see what else I need to tell y'all. I had a whole lot of things planned. And I can't remember what they are, but there's a lot going on over here in my little corner of the world. We're going to be moving from our existing yoga studio space at the end of this month. So it's kind of a big deal. We've been in our current space for a little over 7 years. And, with COVID and the whole situation that's going on, and with our lease being up, it's that time of year where the lease is up, I thought it would be a good time for us to go ahead and make a move. So we'll be homeless for a little bit, but I'm actively searching for a new place. So if you see our address change on our website, that's why. Yeah, and my kids are, at home, as I know many kids are, doing the distance learning thing. And I know a lot of people are struggling with it, but for us, it's actually really working quite well. Anyway, so that's all some of what's going on over here in my neck of the woods. And I don't know, that's it. So let me see, any other comments coming in? Hello. Fantastic. I guess that's about all. I thought that I had a few things that I needed to tell y'all. We've started paying more attention to our Instagram page. So if you're on Instagram, please find us there. Our name is the same as how it is for our YouTube channel. It's RR Yoga Room. And you can find us over there. And I'm excited that on Instagram, now that we're actively using it a little bit better than we have been in the past, I'm seeing people, recommending this channel, recommending my channel to other people who are looking for the style of yoga that I'm doing, and I really appreciate that. So if you're one of those people who has shared the channel, thank you very much. And yeah, just kind of going along, continuing with our Zoom classes at the studio and continuing growing the YouTube channel. So it's all all good things, all good things. Let me go ahead and repeat now what's going on with this 7-day challenge now that we've been in here for 5 minutes. And there's new people here. So this Saturday, I'm going to kick off another challenge like the one that I did back in September. So in September, we did 21 days of consecutive yoga practice together, live, or you might have done it with the recording. And this time around, I'm going to do just 7 days to kind of like get us all kick-started. And the way that I run those yoga challenges is we do a yoga practice for probably like 30 to 40 minutes, and then we always take the last few minutes to answer questions. So, if you have, difficulty with a particular posture or a doubt about something that I'm teaching, we have the opportunity at the end of each practice to, to talk about any of those questions that you have. Yeah, I think that's about all. Do y'all have any questions right now? Any questions at all? I have Cooper right here on my lap. He's been super fussy today because the AC repair person came to do a maintenance on our system here at home, and Cooper does not like visitors in our house. So he's been barking and having a bit of anxiety today. Yeah. All right. You're so spoiled, Cooper. Anyway, I guess that's about all. Mainly, I just wanted to get the message out about, thank you, April, get the message out about this 7-day challenge so that if you want to, you can join me. And, oh yeah, the one other thing that I wanted to mention, I got off track a little bit, is about the monthly practice calendar. So I did one in October and people seemed to really enjoy it. So I did another one for November. And if you're a person who, is interested in practicing consistently, one thing that you might like to do is do this 7-day challenge that we're about to do starting on this Saturday. And then when that's done, you can start doing the December calendar. And that way you can start to establish your daily yoga practice. Yes, it starts, I believe it's at the same time as before, except that here in Texas, our time has changed due to daylight savings. So it'll be at 6 a.m. Central Time. And that may be at the same time as usual for you, or perhaps at a different time, I'm not sure. Yep, so the monthly practice calendar, and let me just talk about that a little bit because I haven't come on here and talked to y'all in a little while, and I want to make sure just to give a little bit of my thoughts about how to use that calendar. So if you want to establish a daily practice, that calendar is a good guide. It can, number one, take the guesswork out of which video should I do today because I've already planned it all out. And number two, it gives you some accountability. Like if you print it, you can check it off each day that you complete, and that way you can see at the end of the month how many practices you've done. There was one other thing about this calendar that I wanted to mention. Oh yes, if you don't have time to practice every day, that is totally fine. Just do the practice that I've designated for the days when you are available. In other words, I would not suggest that you take the November calendar, and if you're going to practice every other day, let that calendar last all the way through December. Like just do whatever's assigned on day 1, day 3, day 5, or whatever works for you. The way I've designed those calendars, and I think I explained it on the webpage where I posted it, but I designed it intentionally with repetition for a couple of reasons. One is so that you get the benefit of the experience of having a consistent practice and seeing how your body and your mind change over time. But also, it would work out that if you're not practicing every day, you're not going to, quote unquote, miss a whole lot in the progression of the practice. So anyway, that's how I would suggest that you use those practice calendars. And I think that's about it. And if you're interested in practicing with me live one way or another in classes or, in private sessions, the information for that is also always in the description box below the videos. And if you're interested in supporting the channel, that information is there as well. You can find the Patreon link and, all the other links. And I think that's about it. So anyway, today is just an announcement about the 7-day challenge that's coming up starting on Saturday. I look forward to practicing with you early in the morning to get my practice re-solidified at that hour, and hopefully provide a little bit of motivation and accountability so that you can also get your practice back on track. All right, very good. I think that's all, everybody. Thanks for joining me for this impromptu live that I've done today. And I look forward to seeing you early on Saturday. All right, y'all have a great week. I'll see you then. Bye.